Wow, that's amazing. So in case you can't tell, I'm in Cairo, Egypt, checking out the Great Pyramids. Four obelisks, which means represents the 4 seasons of the year.
Look at this.
Wow. It's the pyramid of Queen Henutsen Dynasty 4. And our guide was saying that's the sarcophagus is still inside there, but it's blocked off. Yeah, so you have 3 pyramids here. The biggest one's for the 3 kings. Then you have the 3 smaller pyramids, which are these ones, which are for the queens. Then the 3 smaller pyramids past the Great Pyramids over there, and those are for the 3 princes, the 3 kids. And this is where one of the ships was, he was saying.
Look at this. You want that? Yes, for the wood.
Yeah, that was a well for the workers, he's saying, for them to drink from.
وانا هورد الشركه هي بس في كلتا الحالتين الشركه
All right, made it out. That's about 20 minutes on the inside. Super cool. But super, super hot. I'm drenched. There's just no air circulation inside there. Look at that. There's the pyramid of Khufu. Or Khufu? Yeah, that's the pyramid of Khufu. And this is Khalifi. I'm here, that's crazy. Oh. So smooth.
يا باشا خلاص هيدا
Look at that, that's both pyramids in that one shot. And if I go to my left, there's the third pyramid, which is the grandson. So you got the father, son, and the grandson pyramid. And then behind that is the three princes, the smaller ones. And then in the distance there are three more pyramids from a different dynasty. But these are a lot bigger than those ones over there. And our guide says we can go on top of this one up here.
careful.
Oh, the barbed wire, yeah. False tombs.
The secret under the ground. Don't worry. That's the secret for the mumia. You put
Oh, that's
the
a lot
mumia in
deeper.
secret, yeah. Because you know anybody steal the jewelry, the stuff.
All right.
Yeah.
Grave robbers, right?
Yes. Come. تعال كده على المعظم. That's the old story with the holy place. You was believed the sun he visited this place,
4,500
the
years
God is
old. Wow, look at that. This was the chief engineer and chief wife. This was their burial. Oh, we're going inside. I'm coming. Wow.
You
Whoa.
see? The sun he visited this place from the top.
Oh, I see.
You want the sunrise?
Right.
Visit here.
To come right here.
Yeah.
Look light. So this is workers at
Yes.
their tomb?
Yes.
Was it Englishmen that found these? Who found the... Okay.
These are all false tombs, since they're easy to find.
We have like look at this.
All the horses.
Yeah. And the body of the horse.
Yes.
And this the people when you bring the. You would like to see the papyrus museum? How they make the papyrus and the lotus flower? Okay, sir.
Diorite stone is harder than granite and almost like diorite harder. So you need
Oh, okay. Go up there in a second. Wow. Look at that.
Look at that. Great. Snow nose sphinx.
Yep.
Look, that's the president of the king.
Yes.
President. Of
President.
the worker.
Right.
Yeah. And the wife. And here the right on Hilly Green. And this is the story. The rest of the story is damage.
You're right.